In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make really cool Lord of the Rings themed stuff in Midjourney. So I'm going to teach you a free method and a paid method. So first of all, for the free method, you want to go onto Google or Pinterest or wherever, and you want to find an image of something from Lord of the Rings. And you want to download it. Okay, let's download this. Let's say we want to make a cover image of Lord of the Rings. You want to go into Midjourney, do /describe. It's going to ask you to put an image in. We're going to put this image in here. We're going to enter. Now what this is going to do, it's going to analyze the image and describe it for you. It's going to give you 4 different options of descriptions. You can see here. So read through these, see which one is the most accurate description of this image. I'm going to say number 1 for quickness sake. Now click submit, and that's going to generate an image based on this. Now if none of these are good, you can just press this little redo thing and that's going to regenerate the options. Now, while I wait for this to load, I'm going to show you a paid way to do it. Go to this website here called PromptBase, and at the top you want to type in Lord of the Rings, and boom. Now you want to click Midjourney, and you can see here there are tons of Lord of the Rings type designs here. Now, depending on which one catches your eye, I don't know, maybe you want this magical realms thing. Maybe you want to make some characters, whatever it is that you like, you can click on that prompt on the thing here. Now, come into this, and if this is the one you like and you think it's good, then you can get this prompt. This one was $3.99 here. So what this prompt is going to do, it's going to give you all of the keywords to make characters like this. And they're going to give you instructions on how to customize everything as well, so that you're not in the dark about it. So if you want different colored hair, they'll teach you how to do that. They'll teach you how to customize everything, and once you buy it, they'll just give you the code, and you can put it into here and use it as many times as you would like. Now, that's the paid method, and back to the free method here. As you can see, it's taken this image, and it's turned it into these keywords, and then these keywords are turned into a prompt, and we put the prompt in here, and it's imagining it as this. And you can see, boom. It's created as 4 options here, which are really cool. They're very cool like this, and they're extremely themed well. From here you can upscale them, or you can create variations of them. So if you found this video useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.